Hello my little loves, and join me while we check out Dockside Inn and Suites at Universal. When you head into the hotel itself, you've got a massive lobby, complete with a Starbucks, a bar, a shop, check-in desk, guest services. There's a great atmosphere when you walk into Dockside, and it just gives that feeling of you're at Universal and you're just going to have the best time. I honestly am obsessed with the wood at the back of this lobby. Luggage services is great as well, because if it's just a brief question, they'll help you. There's also guest laundry on site, which is actually so convenient, especially if you get trapped in those Floridian rainstorms. There's also 2 pools. We mainly use the left-hand side. I'll pop up a map for you. With transportation direct to the parks every 5 minutes, this is honestly the best. Look at him, he's so cute. We use this nearly daily. You can do the walk. It is a kind of over a bridge. It's not overly far, but it is nice just for that ease to get that transportation, especially if you've got young children or you're in a big group and you just want the convenience. So opposite Dockside, you have Surfside, which is their sister hotel under the same umbrella. Again, it's pretty much exactly the same, it's just surf themed. It is on the water though, however. Hello my little love, and welcome to a room tour at Dockside Inn and Suites as part of the Universal Hotel franchise under the Endless Summer Resort branch. So we've got a standard 2-bedroom suite, so I'm just going to show you around and just show you what there is available. Okay, so when you enter, there is a huge entranceway. We've then got a massive mirror with hooks for storage and things like that. Then come over and you'll find your wardrobe. There isn't heaps of storage in this room, but I think it's sufficient for what we needed it for. Then on your left you'll find your bathroom and shower. You get lots of soaps and things during your stay, and it's always replenished by housekeeping, which is really nice. We've got a nice big sink, plenty of fresh towels underneath. You'll then come in to find 2 big beds, bit of artwork. You've then got your fridge and some storage here. You then got a little stool here as well. You've got a phone to be able to call down to reception. You are able to do room service, which is pizza and chicken wings. We've also got a universal view. You see over there in the distance, there is a slight reflection on it, fortunately. So again, just in regards to the storage, it's just them 3 drawers and the wardrobe over there. There is space for your suitcase underneath your bed. However, if it's a slightly wider or fatter suitcase, just note it won't actually fit. The beds are extremely comfortable. This is one of the most comfortable beds I've slept on at my time in Orlando. It's so soft, it's got memory foam, and it's absolutely lovely. The plugs all have USB-C and USB charger portals available. You've also then got your coffee machine. You've also got your ice box. There'll be ice vending machines on every floor by the lift area. And yeah, that is the room.